Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best motion detectors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the TP-Link Tapo Motion Sensor, an affordable yet versatile option for smart home enthusiasts. With its compact design and wide-range detection capabilities, this motion sensor is perfect for integrating into an existing Tapo smart home ecosystem. It detects motion within a 120-degree angle and up to 23 feet, making it ideal for monitoring walkways, gardens, or driveways. One standout feature is its adjustable sensitivity and viewing angle, allowing users to customize detection zones with precision. Plus, the included CR2450 battery lasts up to 2 years, ensuring minimal maintenance. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, fitting into indoor spaces seamlessly with either 3M adhesive or magnetic mounting options. Performance is efficient, especially when paired with the Tapo Hub, which enhances connectivity and battery life. Real-time notifications sent via the Tapo app are a practical touch, giving users instant updates on detected motion. However, it's important to note that the Tapo Hub is sold separately, adding to the overall cost if you don't already own one. This dependency might limit its appeal for those looking for standalone solutions. Overall, the TP-Link Tapo Motion Sensor is an excellent budget-friendly option for smart home setups, but its reliance on the Tapo Hub might be a deal-breaker for some. If you're fully on board with the Tapo ecosystem, this sensor provides great value and convenience. At number 4, we have the Wireless Motion Sensor LED light from Cotins. This device is a versatile motion detector with a built-in alarm and LED light, making it ideal for homes, offices, and retail stores. It boasts a 500-foot wireless range between the receiver and transmitter, ensuring reliable connectivity across large spaces. The infrared sensor has a detection range of 13 to 16.5 feet, and the 110 dB alarm provides an effective deterrent for intruders. With 58 ringtones and 5 adjustable volume levels, you can personalize notifications to suit your preferences. The design is compact and practical, allowing easy installation. The receiver plugs into a standard outlet, while the sensor operates on 2 AAA batteries included. One of its standout features is expandability. You can pair the receiver with up to 20 motion sensors, making it ideal for larger properties or businesses. Performance-wise, the device is reliable for small to medium-sized spaces, but the shorter motion detection range compared to other products might limit its use in expansive outdoor areas. Overall, the Cotins Wireless Motion Sensor LED light offers great value for its price point. It's perfect for those who need a simple yet effective motion detection system for indoor spaces. However, its shorter detection range and limited weather resistance make it less suitable for outdoor use. At number 3 is the Shine Motion Sensor, a budget-friendly option designed for security floodlights. Despite its low price, this motion sensor delivers impressive features like a detection range of up to 60 feet and a 180 degrees detection angle. It includes 3 modes: auto, dusk to dawn, and manual override, giving users flexibility for various applications. Whether you're monitoring your driveway, porch, or garage, this sensor has you covered. The design is straightforward, with an adjustable sensor neck that allows 360 degrees horizontal and 180 degrees vertical movement for precise area coverage. Installation is simple, thanks to the included wire nuts, making it an excellent replacement for existing floodlight sensors. However, keep in mind that this is a corded electric device, so it's not a standalone motion detector. It needs to be connected to a compatible lighting system. The Shine Motion Sensor is an unbeatable value for those looking to enhance their outdoor security lighting at a minimal cost. Its performance and build quality are solid for the price, but its reliance on floodlight integration might limit its versatility compared to standalone motion detectors. Coming in at number 2 is the HTZ Safe Driveway Alarm, an excellent mid-range solution for monitoring large properties. This device offers a 1/2-mile wireless transmission range, making it ideal for sprawling estates or business premises. The two motion sensors feature adjustable sensitivity settings, detecting motion from 35 to 50 feet depending on the chosen mode. The system is designed to minimize false alarms caused by sunlight, wind, or small animals, ensuring reliable performance. The design is sturdy and weather-resistant, with a working temperature range of -30 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is a breeze. All you need are 3 AA batteries for the sensors and a power outlet for the receiver. The package includes 1 receiver and 2 sensors, but the system is expandable up to 32 sensors and unlimited receivers. With 35 optional melodies and 4 volume levels, you can customize alerts to differentiate motion zones across your property. The HTZ Safe Driveway Alarm is a fantastic choice for users looking for a robust and scalable motion detection system. While the price is higher than some competitors, its reliability and long-range capabilities make it worth the investment for larger properties. Finally, at number 1 is the eMacros 1/2 mile long-range solar wireless driveway alarm, the premium option in this lineup. This device combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional durability to monitor and protect outdoor spaces. Its standout feature is the 1,500-foot wireless range, which surpasses most competitors. The sensor is solar-powered, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements, a huge plus for long-term use. The device is weather-resistant, tested under extreme conditions like hailstorms, heavy rain, and scorching heat, making it a reliable choice for all seasons. The design is robust with swivel mounts for customizable detection angles. Sensitivity adjustments allow detection ranges of 20 to 30 feet, minimizing false alarms caused by small animals or environmental factors. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included quick start guide, though you'll need your own adapter for the receiver. The system is expandable up to 4 sensors and unlimited receivers, making it ideal for large properties or multi-zone monitoring. The eMacros Driveway Alarm is the best overall motion detector for users seeking top-tier performance and reliability. While the price is the highest on this list, the solar-powered functionality and extensive wireless range justify the cost, making it a premium choice for demanding users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.